and welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to draw the image that is visible on your screen. So just take a screenshot of this and start drawing alongside me. Without further delay, we are going to start this drawing. Just take a look that we will start from the centermost portion, this one, and then we will move outwards. So in this video specifically, you will learn about offset command, mirror command, polar array, and other line and trim options. So without further delay, let's start the drawing and let's learn something new. So we will start from the innermost circle. Now this circle is of diameter 30 units. So click on center and diameter, press enter and type diameter as 30 units. So we are done with the innermost circle. The next circle that we have is of diameter 40. So click on the center and specify diameter as 40. The next one, we have another circle which is of diameter 50. So repeat the same, click on the same portion, type 50 and then enter. After that, we have another circle that is of diameter 80. So we have certain repetitive commands in this one. Most of the work will be of trim and offset later on. Now 80 and then press enter. Now this 80 circle, this is basically needed for the purpose of dimensioning only. So we can change its line type so that we can identify it later on. After that, the next circle that we need is of diameter 120 and 150, are of diameter 120 and 150. So click on this, type 120 and enter, right click, repeat, same. Now this time diameter will be 150 and then enter. So we have these circles. The next thing that we need is we need to draw lines starting from this center. So start a line. Now we need to draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees. So type less than and 45 and then enter. Now this is the line that okay, not 45, but my bad. Basically we need to repeat the same line, start from this one, and we need an angle of 22.5. So type less than 22.5 and our line will be restricted to an angle of 22.5 in this side. Now click on it, press escape, right click, repeat, start the same line from this side, and basically this time the angle will be minus 22.5 and then enter. So just leave it, press enter. Now we need the same line on the other end as well. So select them, click on mirror, select this line as mirror line and do not erase the source object. Now we have certain options, so we can trim these lines. Now you will see that the drawing is taking a little shape that we wanted it to give. The next thing is we need to draw another line, basically starting from this one and on this side. So this should be horizontal, press enter and then repeat this, create an offset of this line. Now offset distance this time will be 10 units and then press enter. So 10 on both sides, on this side and on this side, and press enter. So now the remaining work is of trim only. So what we can do is we can basically, we don't need these lines as well, so we can delete them and we can we don't need this one, these as well, so we can remove these as well. After that, in this one, basically first circle is clean, so no dimension is needed in this one. Now in this circle we need to make a cut, so this is something that we don't want. So these are the corners that needs to be removed. So I hope this cut is clear. Now we need this cut on the other side as well, so we can create a mirror, and without any doubt it will be obviously it will not create any problems. So right click and enter. Now what we need to do is just select these two lines. Now click on mirror and use the same line as mirror line, center line, vertically align. Do not erase the source object. Click on trim and remove this portion. So you will see that the drawing is taking a little shape now. We need to make the uppercut as well. So instead of creating the uppercut separately, I can what I can do is I can create an array as well. So let's select this one and this one. Basically we needed only one of them, and then we could have created the array. Now select this, click on polar array, and specify this point as the center point, and specify number of item as 2 only. Okay, let's say 4. Now it's okay. Okay, so we might need to extend these lines as well. Now click on close array, and then trim the non-required portion. So this section is not needed for us. This one is also not needed. But we need to make this cut a little longer. So in order to make it longer, we will have to explode this array first, because otherwise trim or extend will not work. So click on explode command, and then click on this array and press enter. Now we are going to use extend here. Click on extend, and we are going to extend this line all the way till the second circle, and it's done. Repeat same, and this one done. Now the same for this one as well, and same for this one as well. And we will trim everything else that is there in line. So without further delay, let's use trim command. Click on trim, remove this one and this one. Okay, this one was needed, my bad. 0, control Z. So is there any other circle? Yeah, this one is not needed. So we needed to remove these portions. Now what else do we need to remove? We need to remove these portions as well. I hope they're making sense now. Okay, so this is it. Yeah. Now the next thing that we need is we need to draw another circle that are starting from this point. So basically we need to draw a circle of a radius. I think the radius in this case, radius for this circle is, diameter is 12 units. So click on center and diameter, specify this point as center, and specify diameter as 12. Now select this one, create a polar array, and specify this center as the center point, and then we need basically 8 items. So instead of 6, type 8 and then press enter. So this is what we needed. Click on close array. After that, what we can do is we can place the dimensions that we want, and this circle basically we will have to shift it to a different layer so that it does not interfere with our main drawing. Okay, so we can just make it disappear. Now this line as well, this is also not something that we need. So this is the main drawing that we wanted. Now what I need to do is I need to specify the dimensions. So click on dimensions, then click on this angle. Now this angle I can place like this, right click and repeat. After that we can use this angle as well if we want. It will not make any difference. After that, the next thing that we need is we need to specify the diameters. So click on diameter, then this one, right click and repeat. This is the next diameter that we need. Right click and repeat. After that we need diameter of this one as well. Repeat. We need diameter of this one as well. Right click and repeat. We need this diameter also. Right click, repeat. We need this diameter also. So I hope all the diameters are done. 1, 2, then the next one 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5 and 6. So this one is still remaining, so we can place it later as well. Now before that we need to place a linear dimension also. So to provide the linear dimension, click on this one and place it like this. Now in order to basically make this drawing a little bit neat and clean, we need to shift them to a different layer, def points, which is not visible, and click on OK. Now I'm going to place the hatch command here. Use whatever color options you want to. Now this is for 1. Click on close. Then we need to place the another hatch of another gradient. We can use red and white for this one and click inside this. So this was the drawing. Click on close hatch creation. Now this yellow color is a little bit interfering, so let's make it a little bit lighter and let's increase the transparency a little bit and click on close hatch creation. Now we are going to make this layer appear so that all the dimensions are visible. Now still the dimension of this one is pending, so I'm going to place it now. Click on diameter, click on this circle, and this is it. So we can increase the dimension size as well. Type dimsty, press enter. Now go to modify and click on text. Increase this text height, make it 4 or 5 and click on OK, click close, and the dimensions are a little bit better now. If the arrow is small, we can adjust it from the same command. Click on modify, then click on symbols and arrows, increase the arrow size to 5 and then click OK and then click close. So that's how we can draw this type of images. I hope everything is clear. So in case of any doubt, just feel free to leave any comment. That's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.